How to embed HubSpot meeting calendar in WordPress. So first, go to HubSpot and then just hover mouse over this icon here, this one, and then click on meeting scheduler. Then from there, just choose any of your HubSpot meeting calendar. So if you don't have a scheduling page, you can just create one here. So as for me, I already have one. So just click on actions here and then click on embed. Okay, now click on copy code, close this, and then go to WordPress. Now from here, you can either go to one of your pages or just go to your site. So I'll just go to my site here. Then this is my site. Now just click on edit site. Okay, now from here, you just need to click on your site and then click on the plus icon here and then click on code. Okay, now from there, let's just delete this one. I'm going to add a code, this one. Now you just need to paste your code here that you copied earlier from HubSpot, and then you can just select this one here and then click on custom HTML. Now if you want to see what it would look like, click on preview, and there you go. Okay, now you've just embedded the HubSpot meeting calendar in WordPress. So you just need to click on save. Now let's just wait, and there you go, you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.